Video lecture I'm going to find the value of x power x. The given is 2 power x minus 2, 2 power x minus 1 equal to 4. So let's see the answer. So first here I'm going to write the given. The given is 2 power x minus 2 power x minus 1, and we need to find x power x. Okay, and here equal to 4. So here about this one 2x minus 1, so we can write 2x into 2 minus 1. Okay, so here if 2a plus b is there, so you can do the separate, so 2a into 2a power b, so it's equal to 2 power a plus b. So here we can write this 2 power x, here this is 2 power x into 2 power minus 1 equal to 4. After that here you can see 2 power x is the common, so let's take the common. Here it's left 1, and here it's left 2 power minus 1 equal to 4. Now thereafter 2 power x, here 1, so here a power minus 1, that is equal to 1 by a. So the same thing, 2 power minus 1, it's equal to 1 by 2, here 4. After that here 2 power x, take the LCM 2, here it come 2 minus 1 equal to 4. Now 2 power x, and there 2 minus 1, 1 divided by 2, here 4. Thereafter 2 power x, 2 into 4, that is 8, and here 2 power x, so 2, and here it's equal to 2 power 3, so 2 power 3, it's equal to 2 into 2 into 2, it's equal to 8. After that here you can see base is equal, so obviously here power also equal, so x equal to 3. So x value is now that I found here 3. Next we need to get here x power x. So here now we can write x power x. So x value calculated 3, so here 3, so this is 3 into 3 into 3, so x power x equal to 27 is our answer. So one time going to repeat, write the given 2x minus 2x minus 1 equal to 4. So here if you get terms like this 2a minus b, that is here if you can easily bracket 2a into 2 minus b. After that here take the 2x common, here you can get these terms, calculate, and 2 power x equal to 8, 8 we can write 2 power 3, so here base is the same, equate the power, so x equal to 3 it's come. Now we need to find here x power x, so put here x power x, 3, x calculated 3 power 3, that is equal to 27. So this is the way we can find the answer of x power x. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over, so thanks for watching, see you next video. Thank you.